Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm doing something a little bit different. I decided I wanted to try to recreate this look that I saw. I was watching one of KathleenLights YouTube videos and I just loved the makeup look that she did. And yeah, I just wanted to try to recreate it. I really thought she was going to make like a tutorial video. I haven't seen one posted yet, so I just figured I would try to recreate it myself. This could be either really good and turn out great and maybe you guys could learn how to do the look with me, or it could turn out really bad and it just be something for us to laugh about. I think I'm going to start off with the eyes because I feel like they're going to be kind of messy and there might be some fallout, so I'll do that first and then I'll do the full face of makeup. Since my video editor isn't too advanced, I can't really pop it up on the corner of the screen, so I'll just slide it across so you guys can see the picture I'm talking about. She had posted it to Instagram I think a couple of weeks ago and I just really loved that look, so I'm going to give it a try. So this is the look I'm trying to recreate. Funny thing is, the day after I got done filming this video, she uploaded a tutorial on this look. So I'll leave it linked down below in case any of you guys want to go check it out afterwards, see how accurate I was. First, I'm going to go in with the shade Moony right here, and I'm going to put that just all over the lid just to kind of set down a base. Start off by going in with this shade Magical right here because I feel like it looks like she has that in her crease. So I'm going to start off using that as my transition shade. I'm trying not to apply too much of this shade right now, just doing a light base of it because I will probably go back in later and add more to just blend out the colors. Go in with another crease brush and I'm going to go in with the shade Shooting Star right here, and I'm going to add that to the crease as well. I feel like there's a little bit blended out on that. Again, I'm just trying to kind of guess, but I'm going to bring that down just a little bit lower in the crease. I love these two shades. It's pretty much what I always use. Like, I always end up using these two colors when I do any looks with this palette. One of the things I'm so confused about is just how she got the outer corners to look the way that they did. It's so pretty. It just like, it almost looks purple, and I don't know. Hopefully I can recreate that look. I think I'm going to try mixing. Next I'm going to try to go in with the shade Spark right here. And I'm going to add that to the crease too. I feel like I'm going to go in with a smaller crease brush, something like a little bit flatter. You guys know that I don't like to do this, but I feel like it's what she might have done when she did this look. But I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and put some on the lids. I really hope she does do a tutorial on this look. I think it'd be funny because then we could see how far off I really was from getting this look right. So then I'm going to try to go in with the shade Mermaid Boy on the lid before I add anything else to the outer corner or the crease. I'm pretty sure this is the shade that she used. I did take it all over the lid, even to the outer corner there, because it looks like when she blended a few colors together, it kind of made like this really pretty, like purpley kind of shade. So I want to try to get that same effect. I'm going back in with the shade Spark. I'm going to take a smaller, more defined crease brush and try to add that to the outer corners, kind of pack it in there. Go in with Water Bearer and give that a try, just using a little tiny bit on the outer corners there. See if I can darken it up a bit. I feel like that's pretty close to what she got, honestly, a lot closer than I thought I was going to get with it. I'm going to go back in with that shade Magical. I'm going to take that shade and just blend it all up here. Then I think I'm going to take this shade right here, Moony, and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone with. Then I believe she took the shade Kaleidoscope right here and used that for inner corner highlight. That's what I'm thinking anyways. That's what I'm going to use. It's a really pretty shade. Now before I finish up the eyes, I'm going to go on to the face and just do the full face of makeup. That way I can clean up the eyes a bit, and then I'll finish up with the lower lash line and everything. In the picture, her foundation looks pretty full coverage and mostly matte with just like a sheen to it. So I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer, and then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline 24 Hours Superstay Foundation because that's full coverage, but this will give it a little bit of a glow to the skin. So, and I love her channel and her makeup videos. I know that she likes to use like very like moisturizing or illuminating primers because she has dry skin, and so do I. Which is why I enjoy watching the videos so much, so I figure going in with an illuminating primer is probably a safe bet. I have to mix the foundation a little bit with the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Longwear Illuminating Foundation. Anyway, the LA Girl White Foundation. So much fun doing this makeup look right now. I've never like recreated anybody's looks before, like not on camera. I've obviously watched tutorials and stuff, and I've played around before recreating looks, but obviously never in a video. So I just know that's like the new thing lately, is to recreate looks and all that, and I don't know. I really felt like doing it. I felt like it would be a lot of fun, and this was the look that stood out to me most. Like, I've just been drawn to, and I really wanted to know how she created it. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is like one of my favorites. You guys know I've been using a pressed powder more often lately, but I just really wanted to use this today. So, oh gosh. A bunch of my brushes, like I'm cleaning a bunch of my brushes right now though, so. Next I'm gonna use the IT Brow Power pencil for my eyebrows today. So quick and easy. Brows are done. Now I'm going to go back in with the eyes before I finish the rest of the face. Okay guys, so my camera overheated. It does that occasionally. I've been recording for a little while. All I did was take the shades Shooting Star and Magical, these two shades right here, and I buffed them along the lower lash line, and then I applied some mascara and falsies. Now I don't know if she was using falsies for this look, but I really wanted to do that today. I am just obsessed with the Ardell Magnetic Accent Lashes, so that's what I applied to my eyes today. I just love them, and I felt like with such a dramatic look that it would go well. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm just going to contour like here a little bit. I'm not going to do anything too crazy. All I could really see was like her blush mostly. It didn't really look like she did too much contouring, but who knows. I'm going to try to do this look the best I can. I'm really liking how it's turning out so far. Honestly, I'm really happy that I did this. This is really fun. Then I'm going to go in with my Essence Satin Touch Blush and Satin Coral. I felt like she used really peachy, corally toned shades for this look. So I'm going to take my stippling brush, tap it off a little. She's one of my favorite YouTubers to watch, so I just think this is really fun trying to recreate a look that she's done. So next I'm going to go in with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in Be My Highlight. This is one of my favorite highlighters. I feel like it's a lot more natural than ones I've been using lately. And it didn't look like she had a strong highlight in this. So. Instagram post, she shared what lipstick she was using. I actually don't have that one anymore. I gave it to a friend, so I don't know. I think this is the closest thing that I kind of have to it, to be honest, and it's the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Naughty. It's been a while since I've used this shade, so hopefully I'm remembering it right, but I think it does look like as similar as I can get to the one she had. Fun doing this. If you guys ever want me to recreate another look, just let me know and I'll give it a try. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.